Hello everyone, friends. Today I'm going to show you how to make a firewood shed like this, with your own hands. So, let's get started. First I sawed all the boards to size. Then I planed them. I chose terrace oil for my wood treatment, and immediately coated all the frame joints with oil. First, I assembled the bottom frame of the shed frame. I assembled the frame with a hex head screw. I then took the barn posts and made groove connections to the bottom frame. I also made the groove joints for the top beam. First on the machine, I make the recesses and holes for the screws. Then I put the barn posts in place, and made holes in the frame. I then secured the posts with screws and washers. I laid the beams on top. I leveled the barn posts. and I clamped them together. I drill holes in the beams, and tie them down with a screw and washer. I got this design. I then sawed out the cross beams and marked out the slots with the slope in mind. This results in 8 cross beams. I then coated all the parts with oil. When all the parts were dry, I started assembling the shed. Already on the property, the site was leveled and backfilled with gravel. Blocks for the foundation were also laid. The posts of the shed are installed on the blocks. Waterproofing is laid between them. Then I install the cross beams. I tighten them with hex head screws. I'm making the purlins for the roof out of 2 by 2 inch lumber. Five lines at the top and 2 lines at the bottom, edge to edge. I do this for fixing the roof and trim board. On top of the purlins I fastened the profile sheets with roofing screws. Then I start paneling the frame of the shed. Based on the height of the posts, I calculated the number of boards and the height of the spacing between them. I set the first board equidistant from the edge of the posts. I then move the gap inserts and mount the back wall boards. I started with the back wall, then the side walls. Then I laid the floorboards in 2 rows. I made saw cuts in 4 boards for the shed's posts. I insert pieces of plywood between the boards to ensure equal gaps. This will improve air circulation through the floor. Then I'll screw these boards down with self-tapping screws. Then I board up the front walls. Slava and to the right of the entrance. After all the walls of the shed are done, I start tiling the roof ends. I screw the top face board so that it protrudes above the roof sheet by about 1.2 inches. I put pieces of plywood between the boards to make equal gaps. I temporarily tighten the boards with clamps. Then I fasten them with self-tapping screws. The end of the side boards is hidden behind the edge of the face boards. And finally, the back boards. I sawed the top board to length, so that it would fit under the roof sheet. And so the firewood storage shed is ready. It turned out to be quite large and roomy. It can accommodate a stockpile of firewood for several seasons at once. And that's all for today. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed it, please rate the video. And I'll see you all later.